Manvi has puppet. Now count puppets. How many colors are there?
One, two,
No, red.
red,
Red color
red color,
and orange color
orange color,
and third color is yellow.
yellow,
And
and
this is green.
green,
And
and
next is sky blue. Next is sky blue and the last is purple. The last color is purple. And how many puppets are there? Count.
count.
One. Count the puppets.
Wait, me count.
You count, okay? I'm waiting. Count the puppets.
Look,
I am looking.
me count.
I'm waiting for you, okay? Say hello.
Hello,
I'm counting puppets.
me count puppet.
No, me no. I am counting.
Count.
I am counting.
I count.
I am counting. Wow. Now 1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6,
six,
7,
seven,
8,
eight,
9,
nine,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
30,
14,
40,
15,
50,
16,
50,
17,
70,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
21,
31,
22,
32,
23, 23,
33,
24,
34,
25,
35,
26, 26, 26. Why are you beating me? 26. Say 26. 27. 27. 27. Say 27. How many puppets are there?
puppet,
How many puppets are there?
puppet.
Yeah, this is puppet. You like it?
Yeah,
Say I like it.
I got it.
I like it. Say I like it. Say
Daddy Giga.
I like it.
Daddy Giga.
Manvi fell down. Manvi fell down. Say, Daddy, I fell down. Say,
Fell down.
I fell down. Oh.
Daddy. Daddy Giga.
Manvi fell down. Say, I fell down.
Fell down.
No, I
I
fell
fell
down.
down.
Manvi fell down. Manvi, you like this game?
Daddy, tissue I
Okay, let's go to pace.